Hey guys, it's Diane here, a sweet baby doll, and today I'm going to show you guys how to apply eyeshadow. So first of all, you need an eyeshadow brush, and of course, eyeshadow itself. So take some, and then close your eyes and apply it. Very softly, so it doesn't hurt. Like this. And then you can blend it a bit like this. So it smoothens it out so it doesn't look too harsh, and if it's too little you can use a bit more, of course. Just gently apply it like this, and then just blend it. At least that's how I do it. Because we have different brushes. It's not exactly the eyeshadow brush. There are different ones around, definitely. Not only this, but that's the ones that I have. So just blend it like this. And ta-da! You're all done. And if you want to, you can also apply a bit on the bottom. Like here. Do it gently. Like this. Be careful, of course, so nothing gets in your eye, because it's definitely going to irritate your eye, so be careful. But you don't have to do this, you can also just leave it at the top and don't apply anything at the bottom. Just do it how you want. It depends on the look that you want to achieve with it. So yeah, you're done. And of course, if you don't want to use a brush, you can also use your finger doing it. Any finger you want. I'm going to use my ring finger. So just dip it in and then apply it on your eye like this. Doesn't look so good as on the other side because I'm actually not a finger user, but I'm trying to do it. And also blend it a bit. You can also use a brush if you want to. Just do it how you want. You can use a finger, use your brush. And voila! Yeah, you can see this is my good side and this is my bad side. And yeah, but doing the bottom I would recommend a brush, because with your finger I think that's not going to work out that well, at least not for me. There are definitely people who can do it, but yes. This is how you can apply eyeshadow, and I hope I really could help with this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!